Here's a little power poetry session from yours truly. First time ever, here we go. Talk, 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 I write, write, write. The silence is precious. Words are magic, powerful. Spells are written, curses are spoken. Blessings are sung. Forgive, yes, but perhaps a sketch can come out of it. Just shut up. What is your obsession with hearing yourself talk? An affirmation of your existence? We constantly try to rationalize our words and our world. We classify, we justify, we live on our platform, we judge, we stay above, we keep others below, we admire and we envy to keep a world above as a goal. Where is the balance? People breathe for 1 second. This is our judgment date. Apocalyptic ascension.